Hello, this is Craig from MobileMonkey, and today we're going to talk about website widgets. We're going to talk about what they are. We're going to show you how you can create one inside your MobileMonkey dashboard, and then how to take that code and add it to your website so you can have the bot right on your website. So let's get started. Alright, so we're in the MobileMonkey dashboard, and what I want to do real quick is show you what the website widget is. So if we go to this website here, you're going to see in the bottom right corner this little messenger icon with a message here. This appears on every page on your website. Now what's cool about this is as soon as I interact with this, my bot comes up, and whatever the user does here also happens on mobile, in Messenger, wherever I can access Messenger. The conversation can continue, which is super powerful. So I'm going to show you how to create this. Alright, so here we are at the dashboard, and the first thing we want to do to create this is we want to go to lead magnets, and then we want to choose HTML elements. From here we're going to go to add HTML elements. If you have some already, they're going to be listed here, but we're going to go to add a new HTML element, and we're going to choose customer chat widget. Once we choose that, it's going to give us some things to fill out here. We're going to name our website. I'm just going to type website widget, website chat widget. Can name it whatever you want. This stays this because you don't want to change that. And then your dialog is, we always default it to the welcome dialog, but you can choose any dialog you want. So if you want a different dialog, you can choose it from here. Then your greeting, people will see when they first log onto your page. You're going to see, hi, how can I help you? Or you can type anything you want here. You know, welcome to our page, if you have any questions, anything that you want to put there. And then this is just a message when people aren't logged in Facebook. This is what the widget looks like, by the way. If you click on that, here's the message, hi, how can we help you? See, hi, how can we help you is here. And if I wasn't logged in, it would show this message. The next thing you want to do is you want to whitelist your domain. So you want to type in the HTTPS for secure, because you want to make sure that your website is secure, because that's a requirement by Facebook. And then you have code here. Now all we need to do is hit copy code, and then I'm going to show you what to do with it. Alright, so now we are here at Google Tag Manager, tagmanager.google.com, and what we want to do is create an account, a new account for this website. You're going to name it, hit continue, and then you're going to put your website in here. You do not want to put HTTP anything, just put the domain name of your website, then click on the web button. Once you hit the create button, you're going to have this service agreement pop up. You're going to want to say yes to that, and then it's going to load, and it's going to give you some code, but we are going to ignore this code for now. You can place this code in the head section of your WordPress site and the body section. A lot of people don't like to do this. They're not developers. So I have found a better way to do this, and I'm going to show you. So we're just going to close that out. Now what we need to do is create a new tag, and we're going to click on this here. We're going to choose the tag type as custom HTML. Now this is where Google is going to talk to MobileMonkey so they can display the website widget on your website. So what we want to do is go back to MobileMonkey, go into your customer chat element, which is under lead magnets and HTML elements, and hit copy code. And then we're going to go to Google Tag Manager, and we're going to paste that link right there. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit here and we're going to hit triggering. And we want this to fire on all pages. So we click all pages. You'll see that is now selected. And we're going to hit save. And you can name this whatever you want. And we're going to hit save. And then what we want to do is submit it. And it's going to come back here. If you want to type anything in here, you can. But I don't want to, so I'm going to hit publish and continue. And it is now live. So now what we want to do is a couple more steps. We're going to go into our WordPress site, and you're going to go to plugins, and you're going to want to add a new plugin. And when you hit add, you're going to put in the search here Google Tag Manager. And there are quite a few of them, but the one that I've found to work the best is this one right here. So we're going to hit install now, and then we're going to activate it like that. And while that's activating, we're going to go back to Google Tag Manager, and we're going to hit the little arrow here to get back to the beginning. And this is the account, and right here under container ID, that's what we need. We're going to copy that, and then we're going to go back to our WordPress site, and we're going to go to settings and Google Tag Manager. And then there's going to be a little spot here to place our code. So we're going to save that like so. This is going to place Google Tag Manager across your entire website. Now we should be ready to go. So we're going to click on the website and we're going to do a refresh here. And once we refresh, we should see there it is. We have the website widget popping up. Everything looks great. And that's all you have to do to use Google Tag Manager. If you have any questions at all, you can always leave a message in our forum or send an email to support@mobilemonkey.com. I hope that helps. Thanks.